Product images are shown in the web shop and let your customers see how the product looks like. Sana gives you a choice on how to add product images. If you need to add a lot of product images at once, then you can put them all to the web server and, using the product image import task, link them to the products. If you need to change one or several product images, you can do this directly from Sana admin. But quite often product images are stored in the ERP system. Sana also allows to use product images from Microsoft Dynamics 365. If you don't have product images in Microsoft Dynamics 365 yet and you want to add them, first make sure that the document type for images is configured. I will go to Organization Administration, Document Management, Document Types. Here you must create a document type for images if you don't have it yet. You need to select the attached file class, the image group, and the Azure storage location. You can also check the general document management parameters. For example, here you can enter the maximum size of the file that can be added. And now let's see how to add product images. Let's open some released product. On the right, there is a fact box pane, and here you can see the Product Image Fast tab. To add the product image, click Change Image. You can add as many product images as you need. If you add several product images, you need to select the default one. It will be shown as the main product image on the product details page in the web shop. Product images added from the fact box pane are automatically available in the product attachments. Thus, if you open product attachments, you will see all product images. In the attachments window, you can manage visibility of product images. Those product images which you want to show in the web shop must be set to visible in web shop. If the product has variants, you can also add the product image to the product variant, for example, if product variants differ in color. When a customer selects the product variant from the drop-down list on the product details page in the web shop, the corresponding product image will be shown. When images are added to the products in Microsoft Dynamics 365, run the product import task in Sana admin. The product import task retrieves product information from the database to build or update the catalog of your web shop. When the product import task is finished, start the product image import task. Before running the task, make sure that it is configured. Click Edit on the product image import task and enable the option Import product images from ERP. In the separator field, enter the symbol that will be used to separate product image information in the product image file name, like product number and order number of the image. The product image import task will retrieve all product images from Microsoft Dynamics 365, rename them according to the image file name format supported by Sana, and save all images to the web server. When the product image import task is finished, product images from Microsoft Dynamics 365 will be shown in the Sana web shop.